In this video, I will talk to you about trade management and how I manage my trades and how I suggest that members manage their trades until they find their own strategy. First of all, I do my top-down analysis, and in this case, I'm looking at gold spot forex XAU USD, and I'm seeing it going up. And there's a possibility for another long. I'll look at my 60-minute charts. I see also a possibility long, and I will, plot my levels. Let's assume that I'm looking for a level to go long using my this time 987 tick chart, which is the chart that I like most for entering. So maybe I'll decide to go long from here. For example, this is my level I plotted and I'll post it here. And if you see, you will find the same level on all charts. So this is part of the indicators that we have. Usually what I do is 3 contracts trading, and I have set up the DOM for 3 contracts trading. If you don't know how to set it up with SierraCharts, it's simple. It's simple if you watch the video that I did. This is our YouTube channel. Go to the YouTube channel and just go to the search and press type DOM, or just small letters DOM. Not here, sorry, mistake. Go to the channel here and search here, sorry, not there, this here, DOM, and click entry here using DOM. Okay, so this will teach you how to set up your DOM for 3 contracts trading, and this is how I do my trading, and this is how I suggest that my members do it the same way so they could advance. My idea behind trading is this: if I'm looking for a long here, market comes back down to my level, this is my level, I usually do 3 contracts trading, 3. And there is a possibility, if you do this right, there's a possibility, a very high percentage, that the market will go up in your favor for at least the first target. Let's say you have the market moved in your favor 15 ticks. You take your first target. First target, T1, is on 2 contracts. First 2 lots or 2 contracts. It's on 2 contracts out of 3. So let's assume you made 15 ticks or 15 pips on the first target times 15 equals 30. You just made 30 ticks. And with the teaching, you will know where to put your stop. There's a specific section about how to establish your stop losses and how I look for stop losses. These we call them smart stops. So that if your stop at the beginning was 15 ticks already and you took 30 ticks profit, your runner is free now. You can just leave it without, and then of course I'll teach you how to move your stops, etc. But for now, this is how we trade. Once your first target is out, first 2 contracts, you are free, your runner is free, and you are comfortable leaving a runner. And usually, the stops are ahead of time established. For example, if I'm trading from here, I'll have to look for a best stop loss. I don't have a good stop loss here. Therefore, it was an idea to trade for him, but my best trade would be coming from here because the stop loss would be just below it here. And this is also taught to the members in details through the members area. Once you get the market coming to your level, you click you click buy market. It's asking me to confirm, because you can remove that too. It's part of the teaching that I showed you. And now you have your stop loss established. This is your stop loss at the bottom, as you see, and you have your targets. Last target is for 1 contract, and you have this one. You can move them as you wish. Of course, to remove these confirmations, you can go to M and go to confirmations. I'm sorry, not here. Go to confirmations and remove them. It's up to you. Which there's a video on that as well. Same as these 2 videos, SierraCharts, tricks and advantages, also using DOM. Okay, so there you have it. 3 contracts trading, taking 2 contracts, first 2 contracts, and the first target to ensure that the stop loss is secured, Of course, you can move your stop loss higher, lower, up to you, depending on your trade entry, etc. But that is what I suggest: 3 contracts trading, and of course, trade management is not complete unless you know how many contracts you're trading per and how big is your account. For example, if you have a $10,000 account, I suggest that you don't trade more than one lot, full lot per 10,000. That's the safest way to do it. Some people go with one full lot trading with $7,000 account, but it's still that's a high risk. If you have in a $500 account, altogether I recommend that you trade with micros or mini contracts with $1 per tick, or even 10 cents per tick actually, if you can. And that's one of the things that we can find as an advantage with CFDs and Forex. You can trade as low as 10 cents per tick or per pip if you have a smaller account.